Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So children, are you ready for your English class? Today we will do the textual grammar portion of chapter number 2, the girls and the lotus, because in that grammar portion it is about subject and predicate. And you all have made silly mistakes in your unit test. So for the revision purpose, we will solve that exercise which is at the last of your chapter, the girls and the lotus, in your English textbook. Okay, so take out your English textbook, page number 17 of your English textbook. Can you see? Use grammar, that we will do today. Sentences, subject and predicate. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. This is just your revision, right? You all know what is a sentence. You all have already studied in grammar. When we make a sense, that means a sentence is something that makes complete sense using the group of words. That means using different words when we form a sentence. Example, Usha and Lalita were true friends. This is a sentence making a complete sense. In this, all sentences are divided into two parts. Which two parts? Subject and predicate. Okay. See, Usha and Lalita. What is subject? हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो. That means the subject tells us about the person, place, animal or thing being talked about. When we talk about a person, place, animal or thing is our subject. And what is predicate? Predicate tells us something about the subject. हम subject के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं? About the subject is predicate, right? So, we will move towards the exercise part. See, exercise A. Read these sentences. Then circle the subjects and underline the predicate. You have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. Do it carefully. First, Usha saw the lotus. Usha saw the lotus. What will be our subject? We are talking about Usha. So, Usha will be our subject. And what are we telling about Usha? What was she doing? She saw the lotus. So, the remaining will be our predicate. Okay? A sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Second, the lotus was in the pond. The lotus was in the pond. First you have to think कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. What is our subject? The lotus. So the lotus is our subject. So we will circle that. Then what we are telling about lotus? That the lotus was in the pond. So, you will underline the remaining part which will be our predicate. Okay. Third, Lalita was climbing the hill. Lalita was climbing the hill. What will be our subject, children? Yes, Lalita, because we are talking about Lalita. So, you will circle that. And what will be the remaining part? Lalita was climbing the hill. So, you will underline the remaining part. We are talking about the subject. What we are talking about our subject? That she was climbing the hill. Okay. Fourth, Usha hid behind the bush. Usha hid behind the bush. So, what will be our subject? You all know till now, right? You have already done this chapter in your grammar also. So, Usha will be our subject and hid behind the bush will be our predicate. Okay children. So, I hope you have understood. 5 and 6 you will do by yourself as your homework. Okay. Now moving towards exercise B. See, exercise B. Read the subject and complete the sentences by adding suitable predicate. That means in these blanks, subject is mentioned. You have to complete the sentences using appropriate predicate. I will tell you the answers, but you can also write your own answers, okay? It should be meaningful. First, the sun. Here I have a help box for you, okay? The sun, what will be the answer? Rises in the east, right? So what you will write? The sun rises in the east. R-I-S-E-S, rises in the, you all know where sun rises? In the east. You can also form your own sentence like the sun shines brightly in the sky, right? Second, the little kittens. Kittens means the young ones of cats. The little kittens, you can add your own predicate. Here, what I will add? See, were cuddling with each other. That means were playing with each other, right? The little kittens were cuddling, were cuddling with each other. With EACHOTHER, each other. Okay, the little kittens were cuddling with each other. Third, my mother. My mother, you can add anything, but it should make sense. Like my mother cooks yummy food for me, or my mother is helping me in my homework. Right, see, from these options, I will add this option. My mother is a perfect homemaker, right? My mother, homemaker is the one who takes care of home and family, right? My mother is a PERFECT, perfect homemaker. First you will write the spelling of home and then MAKER, maker. Okay. These books are interesting, right? Anything you can add. Here I will add, these books were kept on the table. See, these books were kept on the table, right? Were kept on the table. Then you will read the next one. Fifth, the city park. The city park, what can you add? See, what will I add? Has been closed early today. That means the park has been closed before time, early. The city park has been closed, CLOSED, closed early today, right? This is a help box you don't have in your textbook, but here I have for you, okay? Last one, the lions. The lions, what are the lions doing? See, which option is left? Lion roars, right? The lions roar seeing the hunters. When lions see the hunters, they roar. So what you will write? The lions roar, R-O-A-R, roar, seeing the hunters. T-H-E, the, and H-U-N-T-E-R-S. So I hope this chapter and the portion of the part subject and predicate is clear for you. So complete this in your textbook. We'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.